Again, welcome to Gateway Online Academy of Ohio. I'm very glad that you came to our open house so you can learn a little bit about us as you start your school year with us. My name is Marty Yoder, and I'm the principal here at Gateway. And I'm so very excited for you as we embark together on this school year. This year of all years is unique for us here at Gateway. Why? Because we are a brand new school. We are the only school in Ohio of its kind. We have been working and preparing over the last few months to create an educational opportunity for you to help you achieve the possibility of earning the high school diploma. And not only that, you also have the opportunity to earn an industry credential, which will make employers look at you as a favorable candidate to work for their company or organization. We believe that each student is unique and has their own gifts, talents, and capabilities. This is why each student has been matched with a success coach to develop a success plan, which will serve as a map towards getting that high school diploma. You see, here at Gateway, we believe that getting through school, getting an education, getting a diploma should not be like trying to get a winning lottery ticket. It shouldn't be a guessing game. There shouldn't be a random chance of earning that diploma. This is why we have a staff that are committed to you. They want to see you succeed because you see, here at Gateway, we believe that every student deserves an opportunity for a quality education. Why? Because we value people and we want to add value to you. Why? Because you are valuable, which is why we believe our students are the most important people at our school. And that relationship building is paramount for our success. Relationships are important. And because relationship building is so important to us, we believe that student success is determined by and built upon teamwork between home, student, and school. Which is why we cannot do this without you families. Flexibility with accountability is imperative for our students who are at risk of not graduating, which is why we use data to inform our decisions to help your students be successful. Well, I'm excited to introduce you to all of the wonderful staff here at Gateway. So allow me to take some time to allow those who were able to make this open house meeting, I want to give them some time to introduce themselves. Once again, I'm Marty Yoder. I'm the principal here at Gateway. Someone that can't make the meeting today, but you might be in contact with them quite frequently, is Jessica Brown, and she is our office manager. And so I'm going to call my staff up one by one to have them introduce themselves to you. So first, I'm going to have Brian Hesse come up and introduce himself.
Hi, everybody. I'm Brian Hesse. I'm the head of school, and I want to thank Marty for organizing this for everybody today, and I hope it answers a lot of your questions. I do want to point out a few things that I think are important. We have a webpage. It's called gatewayonlineacademy.com. That's the place that you should go to get information to contact us. It's also a place for updates, and that will be updated weekly. So any new information that you may need or be important, please check in there quite often. I also want you to know that we are here, like Marty said, for students. Feel free to reach out to us at any time, and our contact numbers will be located not only on Canvas, but also on our webpage. Thank you for attending and paying attention to what your students are doing. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Bridget Opgenorth.
Like Marty said, my name is Bridget Opgenorth. I'm an engagement coach and will be overseeing attendance.
Thank you, Bridget. Next, we have Bridget Wells.
Hello, I'm Bridget Wells, and I am the Students with Disabilities Director and also the Testing Coordinator, and I look forward to having a great year with everyone.
Thank you, Bridget. Next, we have Christina Lamergis.
Hi, everyone. My name is Christina Lammergies, and I am the Student Services Coordinator here at Gateway Online Academy. I'm super excited to working with you all this year, and I appreciate you all for being here.
Thank you, Christina. Next, we have Sanja Weisenat.
Hi, everybody. I'm Sandra Weisenat, and I am a success coach and program coordinator for Gateway. That includes workforce development and wraparound services for families. Welcome.
Thank you, Sanja. Next is Dimitri Turnage.
Hello, everyone. I am Dimitri Turnage. I am a success coach serving students and families in the Columbus and surrounding areas. I look forward to working with my past students of last year's and the current students of this year. Welcome.
Thank you, Dimitri. Next, we have Muriel Settles.
Hello and welcome to everyone. Thanks for coming. I am Muriel Suttles, the success coach serving children and families in the Cincinnati and Dayton area and surrounding areas. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Muriel. Next, we have Stephanie Gardner.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Gardner. Welcome. I'm the success coach for the Cleveland and Toledo area. Look forward to working with you this year.
Thank you, Stephanie. Next, we have Mary Ford.
Hello, my name is Mary Ford, and I'm the school counselor and mostly working with juniors and seniors. And I will be in touch with you. I'll be calling you over the weekend and next week, especially Monday, and get you set up with your schedule. And I'm looking very much forward to meeting you and working with you.
Thank you, Mary. Next, we have Leanne Johnson.
Hello, my name is Leanne Johnson, and I am a school counselor here with Gateway. This year I'll be working with 9th and 10th grade students for the most part. Welcome to Gateway.
Thank you, Leanne. Next, we have Brittany Parks.
Hi, everybody. I'm Brittany Parks, and I will be English 12 teacher this year. And I also have early childhood education elective, so I may have you twice, but I hope everybody has a great school year.
Thank you, Brittany. Next, we have Jamie Ross.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jamie Ross, and I teach English 10 as well as another early childhood education course and character education, and I'm excited to start working with you all.
Thank you, Jamie. Next, we have Molly Maurer.
Hi, everyone. I'm Molly Maurer. I am the English 9 teacher, and I also oversee the music appreciation elective.
Thank you, Molly. Next is Mariah Hershey.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mariah Hershey. I am the English 11 teacher, and I'll also be teaching art appreciation, and I'm super excited to start the school year.
Thank you, Mariah. Next, we have Morgan Dalton.
Hi, I'm Morgan Dalton. I will be teaching Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. I'm very excited to help you get through those math courses and earn those credits.
Thank you, Morgan. Next, we have Tammy Unruh.
Hi, everybody. I am Tammy Unruh. I am one of the social studies teachers here. If you see me, that's because you will have me for government, economics, psychology, and you may also have me for study skills as well. Hope we have a great year.
Excellent. Thank you, Tammy. Next, we have Matt Caprio.
Hello there, I'm Matthew Caprio. I am excited to teach, and I'll be teaching U.S. history as well as elective art history as well.
Thank you, Matt. Next is David Ralph.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dave Ralph here. I'll be teaching world history as well as art history elective. Looking forward to everyone having a wonderful school year. Thanks.
Thank you. Next is Taylor McIntyre.
Hi, everyone. My name's Taylor McIntyre. I'll be the CBI instructor this year. Looking forward to working with everybody.
Thank you, Taylor. And next is Erica Hardy.
Hi, everybody. I'm Erica Hardy. I teach biology, computer basics, and I'm also Lean Six Sigma instructor.
Thank you, Erica. Next, we have Devin Huffman.
Hello, everyone. I'm Devin Huffman. I'll be teaching physical science and earth science this year. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you.
Thank you, Devin. And next, we have Dawn Owen.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Owens. I go by Miss O. I'm looking forward to working with all of my students this year. I'm one of the intervention specialists, and I will also be doing American Sign Language. Have a good year.
Thank you, Dawn. And Lauren Vital.
Everyone, I'm Lauren Vital. I'm also one of the intervention specialists, and I'm excited to get to meet everybody and work with them.
Well, thank you, everybody. I wanted our staff to have a chance to introduce themselves to you. So as you can see, we have a lot of wonderful people here at Gateway, and they are excited to be working with you starting next week. On Monday, someone will meet with you to go over your schedules, and as Mary Ford said, they'll be contacting you possibly over this weekend to go over those with you. They would tell you what courses you will take and what your day will be like. Now, we do expect students to be at school and engaged a minimum of 23 hours a week, Monday through Thursday, and we will be in classes 4 times a week. Unless a flex plan is developed with their guidance counselor. School starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 4:15. As I said earlier, relationships are important to us. So we have built-in times for you to develop relationships and to build capacity with other people on our team. And these include our insight class, and we also provide times for social interaction. We'd also like you to know that many of you have we know that you have busy schedules, and at times we have difficulty logging in during the day, which is why we also offer some evening sessions that are live, and those go from 5:30 to 6:30. And during that time, there's also some time for some social interaction. Students who need a more flexible schedule will need to meet with their guidance counselor to develop that flexible schedule. Like I said, you might receive a phone call tomorrow or over the weekend from our guidance concerning your schedule. And we also want you to look out for a communication with welcome information from your success coach, which will include orientation materials. One final important item is that early in the school year, all students will be required to take the STAR test, which must be taken in person. You'll receive more information after the start of the school year regarding that STAR testing. We know that for some of you beginning to work online in the virtual remote environment, it can be challenging from times. So as we start next week, we understand that it's a process to start and to learn, but we're excited to work with you. And one thing our teachers wanted me to point out to you is that one of the best ways to reach your teachers is as you go through your courses is to use the messaging feature in our online learning platform, which is called Canvas. So if you need assistance during the time as you're working through these courses, don't hesitate to message your teacher through that learning platform. Also, we do welcome family involvement. So look for more information as to how families can keep track of their student progress in our learning platform, which is Canvas, or in the online gradebook known as PowerSchool. But don't worry, we are always here to help out and support you, not only for technology, but for your academic and social emotional needs as well. As I said earlier, I'm excited for the school year, and we look forward to working with you all this year. You're always welcome to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you all again for coming. It's really going to be a great year. Have a wonderful rest of your day.